Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to fix TikTok features missing. If you previously had a TikTok feature that you don't see on your TikTok right now, or if anyone else has that feature and you don't, you can try out a couple of steps to fix this problem. Firstly, head over to the Play Store or the App Store in order to update your app. Search for TikTok, and if you see an update, you can tap on update and update the app of TikTok. Updating apps helps to add in new features or helps to add in the missing features. Now the second thing that you can do is you can simply uninstall and install your app of TikTok. If you're on an Android, you do not need to do it manually. You can just clear the data and it will be relevant to uninstalling and installing again. Let me show you. Tap and hold the app of TikTok and head over to app info. From this section, you can simply search for an option called clear data. Mine is right here, but yours could be anywhere on this interface. Tap on it and then tap on clear all data. Now after you do that, your credentials will be removed from the TikTok, such as your email address and password. You'll again need to log into your account. Now after you do these couple of steps, you should be able to find all of the missing features back on your account. If this video was helpful to you, then make sure to let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next one.